Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the first lesson of Introduction to Computers, Grade 3. In previous video we have learned the monitor and the keyboard, and in this video we will learn the mouse, CPU, speakers, printer. So watch the video carefully. The mouse. Dear students, a mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is kept and moved on mousepad. Do you know how to hold the mouse? First, place your right palm on the mouse. Put your first finger on the left button. Put the middle finger on the right button. Hold the mouse on the sides with your thumb and the remaining 2 fingers. Mouse pointer. The mouse is used to point to a place on the screen. It is also used to move from one place to another on the screen. Move the mouse on the mousepad. You will see an arrow moving on the screen. This arrow is called mouse pointer. As you move the mouse up, down, right or left on the mousepad, the mouse pointer on the screen will also move accordingly. Now we will see the actions of the mouse. Hold the mouse. Your first finger is on the left mouse button. Press and quickly leave the left mouse button. This action is called clicking. It is used to select an item on the screen. To double click means to quickly press and leave the left mouse button 2 times. It is used to open a program. When you press and hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse, it is called dragging. Dragging is used to draw and color pictures in Paint. Now we will see the CPU. The CPU is the most important part of a computer. It runs the computer. It is called the brain of the computer. The next one is printer. Dear students, a printer is used to print on paper. It prints whatever you type using the keyboard. It also prints pictures. The next one is speakers. Dear students, speakers are used to listen to music. So dear students, in this video we have learned the use of mouse, the CPU, printer and speakers. So watch the video carefully and understand the lesson.